Many drivers today stand at a crossroads. The familiar rumble of a gasoline engine is being challenged. The quiet hum of an electric motor is growing louder. People ask which car is the better choice for their lives. Is an electric vehicle truly the car of the future? Or is a traditional fuel car still the smarter option? The internet is filled with strong opinions and confusing stories. Some of these stories are based on facts. Many others are simply myths that have spread far and wide. This essay will look closely at these common beliefs. We will test them against the reality of owning and driving these different types of cars. Our goal is to provide clear, simple facts to help you make an informed decision. One of the most common myths is that electric cars are slow and uninspiring to drive. People imagine them as glorified golf carts, struggling to keep up with traffic. This idea suggests they lack the power and excitement of their gasoline counterparts. Another persistent myth is that EVs are actually worse for our planet than fuel cars. This argument points to the environmental cost of manufacturing the large batteries. It questions whether the zero emissions claim is truly honest when you consider the whole picture. These are serious concerns that deserve a serious and factual examination. When comparing electric and gasoline cars, gasoline cars, the initial purchase price is often the first thing people notice. In most cases, the sticker price for a new electric vehicle is higher than for a comparable gasoline-powered model. This upfront cost difference can be a significant hurdle for many households. Government incentives tax credits can help reduce this initial financial burden, but the base price remains a key factor. For buyers on a tight budget, the lower initial cost of a traditional fuel car can seem more accessible. However, the purchase price is only one part of a much larger financial story. The true cost emerges over the vehicle's entire lifespan. This is where electric vehicles show a significant advantage. The cost of running an EV is typically much lower. Electricity, especially charging at home during off-peak hours, is considerably cheaper per mile than gasoline or diesel. A driver who travels 15,000 miles per year could save hundreds or even thousands of dollars annually on fuel alone. The fear of running out of power, known as range anxiety, is a major concern for prospective EV buyers. Most gasoline cars can travel farther on a single tank than most EVs can on a single charge. A typical fuel car might offer 400 miles or more. Many mainstream EVs offer 250 to 350 miles. Long-distance road trips, sparse charging infrastructure favor gasoline for peace of mind and flexibility. A 5-minute stop at thousands of gas stations is an established advantage. But most drivers' daily travel is well within modern EV range. Daily commute errands, school runs often add up to less than 40 miles. An EV with a 250-mile range can handle several days of those trips. One of the most compelling but often overlooked advantages of electric vehicles is their dramatically reduced maintenance needs. A traditional gasoline-powered car is a masterpiece of complex mechanical engineering. Its internal combustion engine contains hundreds of moving parts working in a high-temperature, high-friction environment. This complexity necessitates a strict schedule of regular maintenance. Oil changes every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, spark plug replacements, filter changes, inspection of belts, inspection of hoses. These services add up to a significant and ongoing cost over the life of the vehicle. Electric vehicles, by contrast, are remarkably simple from a mechanical standpoint. The electric motor that drives the car has very few moving parts, often just one. There is no engine oil to change, no spark plugs to replace, no exhaust system to fail, and no transmission fluid to flush. The entire powertrain is a sealed unit that requires little to no regular service. This eliminates many of the most common and costly maintenance tasks that gasoline car owners have come to accept as normal. The result is fewer trips to the mechanic. In summarizing the great debate between electric and gasoline cars, it is clear that there is no single answer that fits everyone. The best choice depends entirely on your individual circumstances. A gasoline-powered car offers the familiarity and convenience of a century of infrastructure. Lower initial purchase price, longer driving range on a single tank refuel in just a few minutes at countless stations. For someone who frequently drives long distances in rural areas or who does not have access to home charging, a fuel car remains a very practical and reliable option in 2025. On the other hand, the electric vehicle represents a fundamental shift in personal transportation. While the initial cost can be higher, EVs promise a significantly lower cost of ownership over time, savings on fuel, reduced maintenance needs. The convenience of charging at home overnight means many owners start every day with a full battery, eliminating weekly trips to the gas station. Instant torque from an electric motor provides quick quiet,